Hello. Now we're going to be talking about area and perimeter. We're going to start the video by looking at things that we have in our notes, just to give you some examples, and then we'll do one together. So the first example we have here is this little figure, okay? So we said that we have 4 units across and 4 units down. That's what we wrote along the side. In order to find area, the formula that we have is area equals length times width. Okay? So we have our length, we have our width. They're both 4. Okay? So area equals 4 times 4. Okay? So area equals 16 units. There it is. Remember, we write units if we don't know if it's centimeters, we don't know if it's inches, feet. Since we don't know, we're just going to write units. When it comes to finding the perimeter, we kind of had 2 different ways of looking at it. One way is perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. Okay? So remember, when you're finding perimeter, you're finding the outside. You see where I highlighted in orange? That's the perimeter. The orange is the perimeter. The area is everything inside. What all is inside that figure? Perimeter just wants to know the outside, okay? So that's why you have to add all 4 sides, okay? So if we were finding the perimeter for this figure, we would say length plus width plus length plus width. Those are these 2 sides and these 2 sides, okay? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, okay? So our perimeter would be 16 units. So that would be using this formula, length plus width plus length plus width. Kind of a shortcut way of doing that formula is perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. So that would mean 4 plus 4 times 2. So 8 times 2, 16 units. Okay, so with that example, let's move on to doing one on our own. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so we know that area equals length times width. Okay, so let's figure out what our length is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 units this direction. And we know that the top and the bottom are exactly the same here. So that would mean we have 9 units on the bottom. Okay, let's find our width. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 units on this side. Same thing on the other. 11 units. Okay, so now we know the dimensions of this figure. Let's find our area. So area equals length times width. Area equals 9 times 11. So area equals 99 units. Simple as that, okay? Now let's move to our perimeter, okay? So we could do either one, but let's do perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width, okay? So that's the formula that we're going to be using here. So let's plug those numbers in. Equals 9 plus 11 plus 9 plus 11. Okay, so 9 plus 11. Let's start there. That would be 20. 20 plus, same thing here, 20. So perimeter equals 40 units. There it is, folks. Simple, quick, and easy. You just have to know the correct formula. you need to know that area is, let me get my highlighter. Area tells us all of these boxes in here. If you were to go through and count every single one, you would end up at 99 units, period. If you added all of these up, there would be 99 squares in there, okay? But for our perimeter, if we just wanted to know what is on the outside, how many squares are touching this edge? That would be 40. 40 of those squares are touching that edge, okay? So that is area and perimeter.